Welcome to my channel, The Way of Learning. Today's topic is Antonyms, Class 5. First one is cruel. Opposite word is kind or merciful. Second one is credible. Opposite word is incredible. Number 3, criticism. Opposite word is appreciation. Number 4, current. Opposite word is obsolete. Number 5, day. Opposite word is night. Number 6, dark. Opposite word is light. Number 7, dawn. Opposite word is twilight. Number 8, dare. Opposite word is fair. Number 9, damage. Opposite word is repair. Number 10, danger. Opposite word is safety. Number 11, dead. Opposite word is alive or living. Number 12, decent. Opposite word is indecent. Number 13, deep. Opposite word is shallow. Number 14, departure. Opposite word is arrival. Number 15, destructive. Opposite word is constructive. Number 16, descent. Opposite word is ascent. Number 17, deposit. Opposite word is withdraw. Number 18, direct. Opposite word is indirect. Number 19, different. Opposite word is similar or same. Number 20, dry. Opposite word is wet or damp. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe the channel. The next video is coming soon.